welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. Well, we are going to wait for my boss to come pick me up, and we are going to go finish tearing a house down. Probably gonna clean up a bit before we finish tearing it down, but that's what we're gonna do today. So you're gonna see a little bit of tearing the house down, hopefully. Well, we'll be back. Welcome back, guys. Well, right now we're gonna have to do it on my phone as much as I can. Our boss wants me to go ahead and take the nails out of all these boards, and then pile them up off to the side. Whatever board doesn't have nails in it, stick it to the side here. This one doesn't have any nails. Alright, here's one with some nails. I'll try and do this with one hand here. My GoPro died. There we go. Flip it over. Let's try and grab the nail. Oh, there's one. Second one. Let's see, we got 3 nails. And at the bottom here, flip it. Like I said, we're just doing a cleanup. Oh, this. Finished tearing this house down. Looks like one of the nails fell out when they. There's that one. Let's go ahead and get this one. Alright, this board has no more nails in it. Let's see. Nails in this board? No. No nails in this one. Alright, we got some nails in this board here. Go ahead. Looks like there's 6 nails all together. These are all bent. There we go. This one's gonna be a bit hard. It's all bent the way it is. And trying to do it with one hand isn't easy. But I'm gonna get this nail out. Just like so. We got that nails out. Alright, 3 more. Well, guys, I'm probably gonna go ahead and end this video here. It's not easy doing it with one hand. So gonna go ahead and end this video here, guys.